All right, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the first entry in a series that I'm starting. It's going to be the Legacy Lightsaber series. So if you don't know what Legacy Lightsabers are, they're high-quality replica sabers that Disney sells at their theme parks. That you can only get them first party from... there's 2 locations in Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida, and 1 location in Anaheim at the Disneyland Park. In Anaheim, you can get it at Doc Ondor's Den of Antiquities and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Same thing at Walt Disney World, and you can also buy it at the Star Wars shop in Disney Springs at Walt Disney World. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Darth Vader Legacy Lightsaber. So, this one is an exact replica of it. You see the bottom there. It shows you, it says Darth Vader Legacy Lightsaber Belt. It tells you about the battery pack. But I'm going to show you guys the saber. We're going to get into the lore of the saber too a little bit today too. So there it is. You can see it comes in this display case. And take it out. There you go. Looks exactly like it does in A New Hope, Empire Strikes Back, and Return of the Jedi from the originals. And yeah, put a blade in it, light it up. But before we do that, actually, I'll show you where the batteries go. It comes pre-installed with batteries, but if you want to switch them out, it takes 3 AA's. It's a little pack. It just goes in. Just put it in like that. This is metal. Almost the whole thing is made out of aluminum alloyed metal with different parts. Like this is hard plastic. This is hard plastic. Plastic. This is a rubberized grip. That very, very nice grip. I don't have a scale with me, but the saber probably weighs on a couple pounds. It's no toy, you know. You hit someone with this, it's gonna hurt. This thing can do some serious damage. You're not gonna get clocked with Darth Vader's replica. You see that's steel alloy right there. You can just hear how heavy it is. But anyways, a little bit about Darth Vader's saber. He crafted it after the Battle of Mustafar, not right after, but he lost the Skywalker saber, it's called. I'll be doing that one at some point. He lost the Skywalker saber when he lost the battle to Obi-Wan. But even before that, he had it in Episode 3. So he had it in Episode 3, and then in Episode 2, sorry, I'm just thinking. Episode 2, which is the first one he has a lightsaber. He has a lightsaber, he crafts it, and then he loses it on Geonosis. On Geonosis in the droid factory. Then he crafts another one, and that one actually looked pretty similar to this, the first one that he had. Then he crafts another one, which is the Skywalker saber that Luke has, Rey has, and Anakin has. And that's the one that Obi-Wan takes from him when he beats him. All those years later, gives it to Luke, who loses it to Darth Vader. This saber strikes it. That saber goes, falls in the hands of Maz Kanata and then Rey. But anyways, back on track. This is the saber that Darth Vader has. This is the only one he has. He crafts it. Eventually, the Emperor makes him craft it, and it's a red blade. And this is the one that he has. When he fights Obi-Wan in Episode 4, A New Hope, when he fights Luke both times, he has this one. And then eventually, this saber gets lost into the remains of the Death Star when Luke gets his revenge, chops off his hand. The saber goes down to the same pit the Emperor fell in. But that's a little bit about the saber. Let's put a blade in it to it. Oh, my phone fell. Sorry about that, guys. All right, let's put a blade in. So, take it, and that you hear the noise. Just push down and turn, and then the blade. This is actually the 26-inch blade. They come in 3 sizes: 26, 31, and 36 inches. I have 2 26-inch blades, and I got a 36-inch one on the way. Fun, we do more of the saber review. So I'm gonna turn the light off, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's lit up. And if it doesn't look like on camera, it is a bright red, dark bright red. You see, you can hear it there, and it makes noises if you like. And do that with it. It'll flicker, and it'll make noises. It's got that deep boom boom hum to it, the Sith hum that it has. Now, there's all sorts of reasons about why saber's red. Obviously, Sith carried red sabers, but there's no real right answer. It's just that the Sith carry red sabers and they have red kyber crystals. Now, red kyber crystals don't occur naturally. I forgot to mention this is on all Galaxy's Edge lightsabers or the Legacy lightsabers. They'll tell you what color the blade is, and this is the Empire symbol, and that's obviously that's Darth Vader's. And then by its red, the kyber crystal is red, but they don't occur naturally in the wild. So to get a red kyber crystal, you have to basically make it by exerting all your hate and anger into whatever color kyber crystal happens to be, and it turns red, and you basically crack or damage it, and it turns to the red. You make it bleed is the technical term, and that's what happens with this one. That's what Darth Vader did. Obviously, he's a bad dude. He killed a lot of younglings with the Skywalker saber, the blue one that he had. And this one is similar to that, but mostly similar to the one he has in Attack of the Clones. Almost an exact replica, other than this is black and so is that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I got another saber over there, Luke Skywalker's. That's the next one I'm going to do. I got one in a box right here I'm going to be doing, and I got 2 more on the way. I'm just going to keep going, see if we can get through all of them, show you guys these products. But I forgot to mention, these retail for various prices. You can get them at .com doors. The price is always changing. This one I got for $130 at Galaxy's Edge in Walt Disney World in Florida. And if you want to buy them online, probably best bet would be eBay. And that you're gonna be paying about $200 on eBay. So that's just the way that it is. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video.